Hey guys, Manal here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make these delicious Oreo cheesecake jars. It requires no baking and that's why I love it. Starting off with the base, you're going to need around 1 cup of Oreo cookie crumbs, or if you have full-size Oreo cookies, you'll need 20 of them crushed. You can use a food processor or you can just use something heavy to crush it. Then you're going to add 1/4 cup of melted butter and the mixture should clump up like this. And once that's done, you can set it aside and we can proceed with the filling. You're going to need 1 cup of cream cheese, or about 8 ounces, which is 1 brick, and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. I'm going to be using a hand mixer for this recipe to show you guys it's that easy. You do not need a stand mixer for this. So you just want to mix this until it's softened and it looks creamy like this. And then we're going to add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 teaspoons of lemon juice for that perfect zing. And give it a good mix once again and set it aside. Now for the topping, we're going to whip up our very own homemade Cool Whip just using some heavy cream. I whipped up 1 cup, which will be divided in half. The first half will be folded into our cheesecake batter and the second half will be used as the topping. Make sure you fold in half the whipping cream very gently. You don't want to lose the air bubbles. And the purpose of the whipping cream is to just give this cheesecake filling a very airy, fluffy texture. And now it's time to assemble. I'm going to show you 3 ways you can do this. Here I'm just using a 1 cup mason jar. Now for the classic option, you're going to need 3 to 4 tablespoons of Oreo crumbs pressed down at the very bottom of your jar. I'm using a muddler to add pressure. You can use the end of a wooden spoon. Then you're going to spoon in 1/3 cup of your cream cheese filling, and you can even out the layer just for aesthetics. Then you're going to pipe the top with the 1/2 cup of whipping cream we had kept aside, and you're going to garnish it with crumbled cookies. And then you can pop on 1 full-size Oreo and voila, you have the cutest Oreo jar. Now the second option for this Oreo jar is to actually double up on your Oreos. You just add about 1 tablespoon of Oreo crumbs into your plain cream cheese mixture that we had made initially, and you're going to repeat the exact same steps when it comes to assembling. Personally, I love the taste of this one more than the classic because I love my Oreos, so this one is my favorite. And the last option is 2-layered. So cookie crumb, cream cheese filling, cookie crumb, cream cheese filling, whipped cream on top, cookie crumbs, and an Oreo. And this is the perfect option if you prefer triple the amount of Oreos. Anyways, you're gonna let this chill overnight or for 6 to 8 hours if you don't have patience like me. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this really easy recipe. Let me know your favorite option below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.